Hello students, good morning all of you. Today we are going to talk about the functions of spinal cord. These are following. First, spinal cord carry reflexes below neck. Means it carry reflections downward the neck. To carry sensory message which are stimulus from skin and muscles to brain. Means spinal cord carry sensory stimuli from skin and muscles to brain part. Third function, it provide path to motor impulses moving from brain to effector organs. Motor impulse means reply of brain, response of brain. It acts as a center for spinal reflex. Reflex action provided by spinal cord. It helps brain in its all functions. Spinal cord help in all the functions of the brain. Permeability or movement of different substances and maintaining appropriate pressure in brain. Means spinal cord maintain the pressure of brain through different substances movement. It control and coordinate various involuntary activities. Involuntary activities like heartbeat, breathing. Next topic, second part of nervous system, peripheral nervous system, PNS. Peripheral means which is spread in all body organs and it arises from CNS. Various nerves arise from CNS part and spread in all body organs are known as peripheral nervous system. The nerves originating from the brain and spinal cord are included in PNS. वो नर्व है जो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड और ब्रेन से राइज होती है, वो पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम का पार्ट है. These nerves are divided into two parts, cranial nerve, second spinal nerve. Cranial word used for brain. First, cranial nerve. These nerves arise from ventral side of the brain are known as cranial nerve. ब्रेन की वेंट्रल साइड से जो नर्व अराइज होती है उनको बोलते हैं क्रेनियल नर्व. These are 12 pairs of cranial nerve in human beings. ह्यूमन बींग्स में क्रेनियल नर्व की नंबर 12 पेयर्स होती है, मीन्स 24. दे मे बी सेंसरी, मोटर और मिक्स टाइप. नेचर ऑफ क्रेनियल नर्व in vertebrates are maybe sensory, means afferent nerve consist of only sensory nerve fiber and sensory nerve carry impulses from body organs to central nervous system. Second type, motor. It consists only motor nerve fibers and carry impulses from CNS to body organs. Third, mixed. Mixed nerve consist of both sensory and motor nerve fibers and carry impulses in both directions. So, cranial nerve 3 नेचर की हो सकती है, सेंसरी भी हो सकती है, मोटर भी हो सकती है और मिक्स्ड भी हो सकती है. सेंसरी इफेक्टर ऑर्गन से सेंसेशन को ब्रेन तक सेंड करती है स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के थ्रू। मोटर नर्व है, ब्रेन का रिस्पॉन्स स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को सेंड करती है, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इफेक्टर ऑर्गन को सेंड करती है। मिक्स नर्व है, सेंसरी और मोटर बहुत टाइप की होती है, ये सेंसेशन को लेकर भी आती है और ब्रेन का रिप्लाई मीन्स रिस्पॉन्स भी इफेक्टर ऑर्गन तक सेंड करती है। इट डिपेंड्स ऑन देयर फंक्शंस। 12 पेयर्स जो क्रेनियल नर्व है, इनमें से कौन सी सेंसरी होगी, कौन सी मोटर होगी और कौन सी मिक्स टाइप होगी, ये क्रेनियल नर्व के फंक्शंस पे डिपेंड करता है। आउट ऑफ 12 पेयर्स 3 पेयर्स आर सेंसरी। फर्स्ट नंबर, सेकंड नंबर एंड 8 नंबर नर्व आज सेंसरी टाइप। 5 पेयर्स motor, third, fourth, sixth, 11 and 12 number of cranial nerve are motor type, and 4 pairs are mixed type, in which 5th, 7, 9 and 10 are included. Then note, 10 pairs of cranial nerves are present in species and amphibian class. Species and amphibians में only 10 pairs cranial nerve ही present होती है, 12 pairs नहीं होती। 12 pairs of cranial nerve are present in reptiles, aves and mammals. Means 10 pairs nerve are common in all vertebrates. Description of cranial nerve found in human. Let's see this table. First nerve है olfactory. Olfactory word used for smell. Olfactory nerve है nature sensory type. Origin olfactory mucous membrane and function is smell, and it arises from forebrain means olfactory lobes. Second, optic nerve. Optic word used for vision. These are related to eyes. Nature sensory type. Origin retina of eye means forebrain part, and function forevision. Third, oculomotor nerve. नेचर होगी मोटर टाइप मीन्स कैरी रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम सीनस टू इफेक्टर ऑर्गन्स. Origin 4 muscles of eye lobe. In eye lobe 6 muscles are present. 4 muscles are rectus and 2 oblique. And lacrimal gland. Lacrimal gland means tear gland. You secrete the tear. Function movement of eyeball and contraction of pupil. Pupil is the eyes part, and it arises from midbrain region because optic lobe are oculomotor nerve are present in midbrain. Midbrain is controller of eyeball muscles. For trochlear nerve, nature motor type. Origin superior oblique eyeball muscles. Superior oblique eyeball muscles, inferior oblique eyeball muscles, external rectus muscles, internal rectus muscles. These are the type of eyeball muscles. Function movement of eyeball. Fifth, trigeminal nerve. It is mixed type means both sensory and motor. Origin mucous membrane, comma, skin, face and muscles of lips. And Its function is muscular movement and skin sensation. 6 number, abducens nerve. It is also motor type. Motor nerve are also called as driver. Origin, external rectus muscles of the eye. Movement, function, movement of eyeball. Then next 7 number, facial nerve. Mixed type, both sensory and motor. Origin, taste buds, salivary glands, and from face and neck. Function, motion, saliva secretion and taste. 8 number, auditory nerve. Auditory word used for hearing and it arises from ears. It is sensory type and origin from internal ear. Function, hearing and body balance. 9 number, glossopharyngeal nerve. Mixed type, both sensory and motor. It originates from tongue, salivary glands and muscles of pharynx. Function is taste, swallowing and secretion of saliva. 10 number, vagus nerve. It is longest cranial nerve and mixed type, originate from heart, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, respiratory tract, alimentary canal and blood vessels. It controls the activities of internal organs, means visceral organs. Internal organs are known as visceral organs. 11 number and 12 number are only present in reptiles, aves and mammals. So these are advanced type. Spinal accessory nerve. Nature, motor means driver. Originate from neck and shoulder muscles and function is movement of muscles. Neck and shoulder muscles की नेक एंड शोल्डर रीजन की जो मसल्स होती है उनमें मूवमेंट इस नर्व के थ्रू होती है. हाइपोग्लोसल नर्व, इट इज ऑल्सो मोटर टाइप एंड ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम मसल्स ऑफ टंग एंड फंक्शन इज मूवमेंट ऑफ टंग. There are 3 important points. Smallest cranial nerve is abducens. 6 number. Longest cranial nerve is vagus. 10th number. And largest cranial nerve is trigeminal. It is also known as dentist nerve. And 5th number. Second part of PNS, spinal nerve, which originate from spinal cord. There are 31 pairs of spinal nerve and 12 pairs of cranial nerve. All spinal nerve are of mixed type, means both sensory and motor neuron. Every spinal nerve pass out through is 2 vertebrae of vertebral column through a intervertebral foramen. Every spinal nerve वर्टिब्रल कॉलम की 2 वर्टिब्रे से पास आउट होती है. एक फोरामेन है, पोर है यहाँ पे, इंटरवर्टिब्रल उसके थ्रू. स्पाइनल नर्व आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू 5 ग्रुप. First, cervical nerve are 8 pairs present in neck region. Second, thoracic nerve are 12 pairs and located in thoracic region. Third, lumbar nerve which are present below the thoracic part and 5 pairs. Sacral nerves which are 5 pairs below the lumbar region of vertebral column, and coccygeal nerve or coccyx nerve are 1 pairs in number. So total 31 pairs of spinal nerve are present in body. Cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, coccygeal. These were used for vertebral column vertebrae. Medulla oblongata enter in neurocoel of vertebral column through foramen of magnum. In center, spinal cord is present and both side vertebrae are present of vertebral column. It is first vertebrae and this part is known as cervical, means neck region, and in cervical region 8 pairs of cervical nerve present. Below the cervical, thoracic division present and it consists 12 pairs of thoracic nerve. Below the thoracic means waist part, lumbar division is present and it consists 5 pairs of spinal nerve. Below the lumbar region, sacral division is present and it consists 5 pairs of spinal nerve, and last part of vertebral column is last vertebrae coccygeal and it consists 1 pair of coccygeal nerve. मीन्स ये वर्टिब्रल कॉलम पार्ट है, बोथ साइड वर्टिब्रीज है, सेंटर में स्पाइनल नर्व है, सॉरी स्पाइनल कोड है, स्पाइनल कोड के बोथ साइड पायोमीटर, अरेक्नोइड ड्यूरामीटर है, सब ड्यूरल स्पेस, सब अरेक्नोइड स्पेस प्रेजेंट है. तो वर्टिब्रल कॉलम में स्पाइनल कॉर्ड ऐसे एक्सटेंड रहती है. स्पाइनल नर्व फॉर्मूला C8 T12 L5 S5 CO1. क्रिनल 8 पेयर, thoracic 12 pairs, lumbar 5 pairs, sacral 5 pairs and coccygeal 1 pair. So total number 31 pair. Then description of spinal nerve present in human beings. First nerve, cranial spinal nerve are 8 pairs and location is extend from first vertebrae to cervical vertebrae downwards. Second, thoracic spinal nerve 12 pairs in counting, location both side of thoracic vertebrae in thoracic region. Third, lumbar spinal nerve are 5 pairs in number and located both side of lumbar vertebrae. Fourth number, sacral spinal nerve are 5 pair in numbers and located from sacral vertebrae both side, and last coccygeal spinal nerve are 1 pair in number and located mid of the coccygeal and sacral vertebrae both side. Third part of nervous system, autonomous nervous system. autonomous nervous system was discovered by Langley scientist, and it is uncontrolled nervous system, means willpower of animals is not involved on this nervous system. It is a motor division which contains only motor nerve fiber. It consists only motor neurons, not sensory neurons. Means it carries response from CNS to other body organs. It is auto-functioning and self-governed nervous system. It provided nerve to involuntary muscles and glands. इनवॉल्नरी मसल्स एंड ग्लैंड्स को ये नर्व प्रोवाइड करता है, ऑटो फंक्शन करता है, ओनली मोटर नर्व होती है इसके पास. इट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय गैंग्लियंस एंड चेन्स ऑफ ए पेयर ऑफ नर्व्स विच इज लोकेटेड ऑन बोथ लेटरल साइड ऑफ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के बोथ साइड लेटरल पोजीशन पे जो नर्व्स की चेन होती है एंड गैंग्लियंस होते हैं, वहाँ से ऑटोनोमस नर्वस सिस्टम का फॉर्मेशन होता है. इट कंट्रोल द इनवॉल्यूंटरी एक्टिविटीज ऑफ वेरियस इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स. ये बॉडी की इनवॉल्यूंटरी एक्टिविटीज को कंट्रोल करता है. सो structurally NS is formed by two systems, sympathetic nervous system and second parasympathetic nervous system. But both system works opposite with each other. If sympathetic nervous system prepare the body in emergency condition, then parasympathetic nervous system establish the body in normal condition. सिम्पैथेटिक एडवर्स कंडीशंस होती है बॉडी की एंड पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम नॉर्मल कंडीशन होती है एट द एंड ऑफ emergency. Means for like fear arise from sympathetic nervous system and relax arise from parasympathetic nervous system. So these work just opposite with each other. Effects of autonomous nervous system in bodies. It increase the rate of heartbeat in unfavorable condition, and parasympathetic nervous system decrease the rate of heartbeat in favorable condition. Second function, sympathetic nervous system increase sweat secretion, sweating, but in normal condition parasympathetic nervous system decrease sweat secretion. Third, sympathetic nervous system increase the secretion of adrenal gland. When adrenal gland secrete their hormones, then heartbeat, sweat secretion, fears, blood pressures are increases because it is unfavorable condition of our body, excited condition. That's why adrenal gland are also known as 3F gland, fear, fight and flight. Parasympathetic nervous system decrease the secretion of adrenal gland, means it is relaxed condition. Sympathetic nervous system increase the blood pressure, but parasympathetic nervous system decrease the blood pressure. Fifth, sympathetic nervous system relaxes urinary bladder, means urines continue store in urinary bladder, but parasympathetic nervous system contracts urinary bladder. It is favorable condition. Sympathetic nervous system excited the erector pili muscles of skin, means hairs are erect condition. It represents the fear and body temperature. Parasympathetic nervous system lose the erector pili muscles, means hairs are in normal condition. 7th, sympathetic nervous system decrease the secretion of salivary glands, means formation of saliva are in less amount, but parasympathetic nervous system increase the secretion of salivary gland. Next, sympathetic nervous system decrease the secretion of digestive gland, and parasympathetic nervous system increase the secretion of digestive gland. Next function, sympathetic nervous system increase the secretion of lacrimal gland, means formation of tear in more amount, but parasympathetic nervous system decrease the secretion of lacrimal gland. Lacrimal gland means tear gland. Then sympathetic nervous system decrease peristalsis movement of alimentary canal, ciliary movement which help in digestion, and parasympathetic nervous system increase peristalsis movement of alimentary canal. Sympathetic nervous system constrict the anus sphincter, means anal wall, and parasympathetic nervous system expand the anal sphincter. 12th number, sympathetic nervous system increase the level of sugar in blood due to hyposecretion of insulin hormone from pancreas, and parasympathetic nervous system decrease the level of sugar in blood through hypersecretion of insulin from pancreas. 13, sympathetic nervous system contract blood capillage of the skin, by which skin gets yellow and increase blood pressure. सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम स्किन रीजन की ब्लड कैपिलरीज में कॉन्ट्रैक्शन करवाता है, जिसकी वजह से बीपी हाई हो जाता है और स्किन येलोइश कलर की हो जाती है. बट पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम एक्सपांड ब्लड कैपिलरीज एक्सेप्ट डर्मल कैपिलरीज. It expand only epidermis capillaries, not dermis region capillaries, and decrease blood pressure. So there are 13 functions of sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system is unfavorable condition of body and parasympathetic nervous system is favorable condition, means normal condition. So these work opposite with each other.